I'm Craig.
Do you want to count us down?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey, I'm Craig with Kuat.
I'm Tom.
And we are here to let y'all know about the
IBEX Panel Kit.
IBEX Panel Kit.
Yeah, so we stepped out of the studio today, come outside. We're here at Kuat HQ to show you this specific accessory for our IBEX system. So this is our panel kit. Craig, you want to explain what the panel kit is?
Sure. The panel kit is a paneled system, so a roof and then 4 doors that will click in to your existing Kuat skeleton frame. We're really excited about bringing this concept to market and being able to always explode this back down to a framed system, but then in the wintertime or when you need shelter, you have the panels for it.
Sure, yeah, it just leads to that adaptability of your IBEX system. So you can take your IBEX and remove any molly panel or accessory you have on the outside and turn it into a fully enclosed camper shell. Now this thing is highly weather resistant, right? Okay, so it'll hold up to most of the elements. Nothing like this is ever really waterproof, but it is definitely highly weather resistant. So it's gonna keep your gear safe, it's gonna keep it dry, and let's walk through a couple just things on it and show how it works. So
Sure.
Back panel, opens up.
Awareness light.
Oh yeah.
So the awareness light comes with the kit, which is really important because we are blocking the cab light. Lockable handle back here, turn, open up. So gas assisted struts to help offset the weight.
And these open up on all sides, right?
They do.
Yeah.
All 4 sides open up.
Yeah. They're all lockable, all same keyed locks, so you can do that. And then accessories for the roof. So our IBEX system comes with a set of crossbars, but this is a slightly different system.
It is. So you'll have 2 mounting options with the crossbars. You'll have the flush mount system, which will keep the bars really low profile, probably equal with the cab. Then we'll have kind of the sport mode that allows you to bump the bars out of that flush mount mode, and it'll give you more room to attach things.
Mm-hmm. So you still have the roof on your panel kit, and you need this specific riser kit it's made for our panel kit so you can raise your crossbars up. Give you a little more over the cab space for rooftop tents, kayaks, things like that.
One thing to note about the panel kit, or this system that Kuat's creating, is the roof is not load bearing. So your dynamic and static weight ratings don't change.
Exactly. Yep, it's all still based right off of that IBEX frame.
We're coming to market first with the 3rd gen Tacoma short bed SKU, which will be compatible with our A1. And we're really excited to get that one out on the market.
Yeah, so speaking of excitement, if you are excited about this and you want to get your hands on it, ask some questions, pick up some cool swag from me and Craig.
That's right.
Where are we going to be next week?
We are going to be actually this vehicle right here will be featured at Overland Expo Mountain West out of Loveland, Colorado.
Yeah.
It'll be in the Kuat booth.
Oh yeah.
You'll be able to, do a full demo rundown. Like I said, you'll have the experts here to answer all the questions.
For sure. Yeah, come
please
by,
come
say
by.
hi. We have some great partners out there as well, sporting different kind of configurations of our IBEX system. So visit their booths as well. But man, we would love to see you out in Colorado next week.
And always, don't forget to like and smash that like button.
Definitely. All right. Thank you.